Right, next we're going to have a look at AWR in HRS Pro. And AWR is automatically applied to each week when you complete a timesheet, because the default is that it's on. And as you complete timesheets, then you should get a tick appearing in the AWR column over on the right hand side. And then as you tick for the same person, in my case for the same job, because I've got it set up in the back office to apply AWR to the same job, then we can see that it's basically giving me a total of the number of weeks that Henry Hackshaw actually has against that particular job. So at the bottom it's just telling me that he's got 12 qualifying AWR weeks against Toys R Us. As you fill in the 13th week, for the timesheet for the 13th week, and you complete it, then we can see that it then comes up with a message saying use AWR rates, and also do you want to update his holiday entitlement. Now, to see what his AWR holiday entitlement is set to, you need to get back into the contract window for the job. So I'm just going to click on the grey arrowhead to the left of the job number and go into the booking window. And this is basically the contract window. And if I go to the timesheet details tab at the top, we can see here that somebody has entered an AWR holiday entitlement of 30. So he's going to go up from 28 days holiday entitlement to 30 days holiday entitlement once he reaches AWR. So if I just close that down, so going back into this window on that 13th week, we can see that it's already 28 days because that's the default. If I now click the button at the bottom to update his holiday entitlement, it does say that are you sure you want to update all future timesheets, including this one, to the holiday entitlement of 30 days that was specified in his contract window. So if I click yes, hopefully you can see over on the right hand side that the 28 now goes to 30 from that week onwards, and obviously that will affect the holiday accrual pay that's being calculated as well. It also says to the left, use AWR rates. So what a lot of clients might do is put in another rate in this drop down, which was the AWR rate. So if, for example, Henry was going to receive £160 a day as opposed to 150 once he reaches AWR, then I could go in and add an AWR rate, which is going to be 160. That would be in the contract window again. So if I click on the grey arrow, go back into the booking window, go to the timesheet details tab, and again we've got the rates over on the right hand side. I don't think I've got an AWR rate set up. Oh yes, I have. So if I just click on the green plus and choose AWR, and then I can specify that he's going to get £160 a day rather than 150. So that's my AWR rate in his rate table. And if I close that down and go back to the timesheet underneath, that will then appear in the drop down. So now I can choose the AWR rate and pull through £160 a day as opposed to the 150. And that's AWR in HRS Pro.